Good day, welcome to Mindtech Academy. Today we'll be dealing on text functions in Excel that has to do with text analysis. Okay, we have text analysis for numerical data and for text data. Okay, so now, so today we're going to be dealing on two major functions: concatenation and text join. Okay, so now this is data from the field. This data from the field, it has several information in there. So now it came as first name, last name into separate columns. So we want to see how we can add this first name and second name together without much stress. So we'll do that with concat. Do that with concat. In older versions, it is concatenate. So that's with concat. Let me show you how it. So in older versions, it's concatenate. So we are using concat. So for newer version, so concat, then you select the first name. Commas are very important in concatenation to separate between different subjects or text, as the case may be. So you select the first and then a space. After this, and then you should understand that this is a text-based function. So it's for you to actually get the text-based functionality. There are certain code and certain syntax you will need in Excel. So for instance, of course, a name has a space in between. So I won't type space because that won't work in Excel. Neither will I just tap it, so it won't work as well. So what will work here is the use of exclamation marks. Use of exclamation marks works for text functions in Excel. Anything within a text within an exclamation mark like this, it means that everything within should be treated as a text in Excel. To Excel as a machine, it's as a software, it will treat anything within this exclamation mark as a text. So whatever you write inside, it will appear that way. So for this case, we want it to appear as a space period. No, space as a space. So that's B2, and then we'll click on C2. That will be okay. I think I didn't use a comma there. So like I said before, a comma is necessary. A comma is necessary. You see this. Okay, they're trying to show you that you need commas. Okay, so this is John Smith, and this is John Smith. Instead of John and Smith, we've been able to make it John Smith. So in one column. So to do this across, you just come here, highlight on the cross here, double tap, it goes down, replicate. So order summary. Make an order summary like John Smith did this birthdays with order days. So now we'll also use concatenate. We want to say orders done by John Smith were for say electronics, for example. Okay, so we'll tap on concat. You're going to select now, like I said before, it's going to be order. You need to make it like a text, to make it readable like text and not return errors. You see, I need an exclamation mark at the beginning because I want to put in a text. I need a space after the order, so I do that. And then say order, okay, order so and so. So order, I need space after the order. I don't want it to be jump packed. I need order, then space. I had a space here. You see, there's a space here. Order. Then I click on A2 where I have the order. Oops, that didn't work. Okay, so that didn't work because there was no comma. So very important to put your commas. So order, you select your E2, the comma, then a space. After the order, whatever, I want a space, so I add a space there. So after A2, I want order by, say, okay, order by John Smith. Let's say order by. So to read a by, you need exclamation marks 2, and then you need a comma. Order by who now? By, say, John. Okay, you need a comma. Then I need to add Smith. What we did before was to exclamation marks like this, to show that we need space. After that, we have a comma, and then C2, okay, then a comma again. Then we go on, after C2, we say, okay, orders done by blah 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 person John Smith is for, okay, to do this is for, we are going to go this way, and this is for, I want space as well, is for, so the is and for don't join together. And then after that is for, there's a comma, very important, and there's a comma, is for what now, is for electronics. The order 001 done by Smith is for, say, wireless mouse. And then we say, okay, that's a comma, and then that's D2. Then after the D2, in normal text, I would like, to have a full stop. Okay, so to get a full stop, you do this. To get a full stop, I need to demarcate this as a subject as well, and then highlight this, put a full stop, do this, and I think we are good. So okay, you see there is a little bit of a problem here, because this by did not have enough space. So by is supposed to have space before and after it. I think that should be good now. Is it good for wireless? See, that's it. So for us to replicate this down, we just hit on the plus sign, take it down for everybody. So this, you see, order ORD001 by John Smith is for so and so. So that's how to use concatenation to do an order summary. Then we have something about product summary as well. Here we are going to use text join. Okay, I think I should leave that for the next session. So text join, I'll do text join in the next session, and as well do something about adding an email to the order summary. So thank you. Leave us a like, a follow, and a subscription. Thank you.